welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Saurambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian presence in Carmona, a Spanish municipality in the autonomous community of Andalusia in the province of Seville, is celebrating 125 years this year. Nowadays, 125 years of perseverance is a rare achievement, but with Don Bosco and merry help of Christians, anything is possible. Therefore, in a spirit of gratitude and appreciation, the anniversary celebration was kicked off in Carmona on Sunday, October 9, with a solemn mass celebrated in the church dedicated to Saint James the Greater. The Salesians arrived in the city in September 1897 thanks to the generosity of Dao Dolores Quintanilla Montoya, who donated one of her houses on Calle Paso de la Condesa. The first 4 classrooms were inaugurated, which then served as the starting point for an educational and pastoral project that would take root over time and bear abundant fruit. After an unsuccessful attempt to start vocational schools, however, the Salesians obtained another piece of land for their new school next to the Church of St. Francis. It was there that the Salesian activity in Carmona took place starting in 1957. The delegates from Social Communication and Formation of the Africa region gathered at Morni's Retreat Center, Lusaka, Zambia, to reflect on various current issues in the field of communication and formation. The meeting, 17 to 21st October, started with a Lectio Divina on the message of Pope Francis for World Communication Day. Father Jose led the moment of reflection. The two sectors then split into their respective groups for deeper reflection. The delegates for social communication spent one full day with each one sharing on the opportunities and challenges in their respective provinces. In his address to the confreres, Father Gildacio Mendes welcomed all the delegates and pointed out that this meeting was a moment of togetherness and a time to enjoy each other's company. He also emphasized that it was a time to practice the sacrament of presence, a time of communion. From October 18 to 23rd, 22 Salesians in the face of the quinquennium belonging to the Southern Italy province IME and the Central Italy circumscription ICC, with their respective provincials and provincial vicars, are living a joint formation experience in Albania and Kosovo, visiting the Salesian communities present in those lands, Pristina, Jilan, Shkodra and Tirana, where they meet with confreres, lay people and young people. The objective of the meeting is to observe and review the Salesian presence in a religious and social context with an Islamic majority, to see how the Salesians work in education and what style of evangelization they carry out, to learn about the history of communist persecution, the vitality of the Christian community and the challenges it faces. Extremely interesting were the meetings with several neophytes in Kosovo who described the reasons for their conversion, the joy of being baptized in adulthood, the richness of Christian life in a territory with a Muslim majority. The Don Bosco Pastoral Center in Shillong hosted the 8th National Congress of the Indian Federation of the Association of Past Pupils of Don Bosco. The event was organized from October 13 to 15 by the team of past pupils led by Mr. Valerian Pakma, President of the St. John Paul II Provincial Federation of Shillong. 250 alumni from the provinces of India participated, along with Father Joseph Manipadan SDB, delegate for the Salesian family of the Salesian Provinces Conference of India SPCSA. The Congress was opened by Father Paul Orfindro Lincott, Superior of Shillong Province INS, together with Mr. Ketan Gala, National President of the Past Pupils. Group discussion on the theme of the Congress, Don Bosco's mission, Our Mission, were led by Father John Zosiama, INS Province Vicar, and Father Joseph Aniku Zikatil, Provincial Delegate for the Salesian family. The Assembly decided that in the next 4 years, work should be done on organizing literacy programs with evening classes, establishing programs with scholarships for poor students, preparing vocational orientation and training programs, and collaborating with Salesian social outreach programs such as Don Bosco Green Alliance and Project for At-Risk Youth YAR. On October 15, at Mother of Divine Providence Parish, Salesian Miguel Angel Condo was ordained a priest through the laying on of hands and consecratory prayer of Monsieur Tito Solari SDB, Archbishop Emeritus of Cochabamba. Present were Father Lider Justiano, Superior of the Bolivia Province BOL, numerous members of the Salesian family and Salesians. The following day, Father Miguel Angel Kondo celebrated his first Eucharist in the courtyard of the Don Bosco Institute in Quintanilla. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.